Welcome to online classes children. Today in chapter number 3 multiples and factors we are going to learn prime factorization. So what is prime factorization children? It is a method of expressing a number as the product of its factors which are primes. We can find prime factorization of a number by two methods. The first one is factor tree method and the second one is long division method. Okay, we will see both these methods. Okay, here I have taken example 18. Okay, here I will find the prime factorization of 18 by factor tree method first, then I will find the prime factorization of 18 by long division method. See here the factor tree method. Here I have taken the number as 18. Here this 18 can be divided by 2. As I have already taught you the divisibility rule children. So use the divisibility rule here. Here 18 can be divided by 2 because the last digit of 18 is 8 and 8 is a even number. So this 18 can be divided by 2. So divided by 2. Okay, so write here 2 and then when you will divide this 18 by 2 you will get 9. So write here 9. Okay, write here 9. Now divide this 9. By which number you can divide this? By 3 you can divide. Okay, so write here 3. Then if you will divide this 9 by 3, what you will get? You will get 3. Okay, so write here also 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2, 3, 3. So write the prime factorization of 18 children. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. When you will multiply all this number, you will get 18. Okay. Now see the long division method, children. How to find prime factorization by long division method. Okay. See right here 18. Then how you will divide this 18? You can divide this 18 by 2. So divided by 2, you will get 9. Then this 9 can be divided by 3. So write here 3. Then when you will divide this 9 by 3, you will get 3. So write here also 3. Now this 3 can be divided by only 3. So write here 3. Then when you will divide this 3 by 3, you will get 1. So write here 1. So the prime factorization of 18 will be same. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3. Here also we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. And here also by long division method also we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factorization of 18 will be same in factor tree method also and in long division method also. 1. Now draw the factor tree of the following. Okay, the question number A is 48. We have to draw the factor tree of 48. Okay, so think of a number by which this 48 can be divided. 2. Okay, I have already taught you the divisibility rule. This 48 can be divided by 2 as the in the units place it is having only 8. Okay, and 8 is a even number, so it can be divided by 2. So let's divide it by 2. Write here 2 and here when it will be divided by 2, you will get 24. Okay, here you will get 24. 2, here 4 is given. So 2 2s are 4 and 8 is given. So 2 4s are 8. So 24. Here you will get 24. Okay, now divide this 24 again. It will be divided by 2 only. Okay, now write here 2. So write here 2 and here it will come 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 12. It will come 12. Here 12 will come. Okay, now again divide this 12. This 12 can be divided by 2 again. Okay, so write here 2. Then again here what will come? 6. When we will divide this 12 by 2, you will get 6. Okay, write here 6. Then again this 6 can be divided. 6 can be divided by 2 again. Okay, so write here 2. And here when 6 will be divided by 2, you will get 3. Okay, so the prime factorization of 48 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so the prime factorization of 48 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. When you will multiply all this number, you will get 48 only.